This is a video about Elementor Pro 3.7 version released on May 10, 2022. Let's dive deeper. If you are building a website with your client and you want to set up a live meeting with him to showcase the website you are building to him, your client can leave you a note. Yes, Elementor has released a fantastic feature to help website business owners. This feature really improves the collaboration between business owners and clients. This is definitely a game changer, a must-have feature. For example, you can use this notes feature as you deliver a website to your client. You find this feature within Elementor Settings Experiments. The green color means it's active. This is a stable version, so just click on the Save button. Once you save the settings, you will notice a Notes icon from the top bar. Click on the Notes icon to activate. Keep in mind that this Notes only appears for users with permissions lower than editor WordPress user roles. Whenever you are hovering over anything, a widget, a container, anything, you get this panel. Let's assume the client wants to know if he can change it. The best way to deal with this is creating a client account. So head over to the Users tab and click to add a new user. I call it Client. And the role I have assigned is Contributor. Then the client logs in with the provided credentials. You can also provide notes permission to your user or client. Scroll down to where it says Elementor Notes and turn on and update the user permission. What happens now is that the client sees and can add the notes to me by clicking the notes icon at the top bar. This works for team members as well. The steps are the same. To respond to any note, you just type in the @ symbol to tag me or anyone else. As an example, I selected this heading and then I type in "let's change the tag." You can take advantage by setting reminders or comments to your team. Two simple ways to open the Notes panel. If you like shortcut, you can use the Shift-C from your keyboard to open up the Notes panel. Or if you are inside an Elementor page, click on this little hamburger and then click on the Notes panel. If you are selling just a few items and don't want to set up an entire WooCommerce store, the next Stripe button widget is ideal for you. The only condition to accept payments at your website is to have a Stripe account. Just drag and drop the Stripe button widget to any desired area. Then you just have to adjust the content based on the website you are in. You can also customize the default error message from Stripe. Once the shopper clicks on the Stripe button, they will be directed to Stripe checkout page where the transaction is processed. You can also increase your brand by redirecting your client to a dedicated page upon purchase completion. Just paste in the Stripe button the appropriate URL, including always the HTTP or HTTPS of the URL for the redirect to work. With this new Elementor update, we have more WooCommerce capabilities and improvements. To be more precise, you have more than 100 new dynamic tag fields, in creating more dynamic content, allowing you to display more relevant and engaging content to your clients. Let's view this use case. The context is this one. I am logging in and this is my local website. I have made a pop-up form with two fields, first name and the email field. Instead, the client has to fill in these fields. When submitting the form to me, I want to pre-populate these empty fields automatically and dynamically, so my user does not feel overwhelmed. How do I do this? I open my custom form, click on the Advanced tab, then choose the user information tag using the dynamic tags, and then you choose the display name. In the Advanced tab, I input "allow" to populate populate the email field. I click on the email field and then on the advanced tab. I click on dynamic tags and under the site section, I go with user information. Now click on the wrench icon to tell WordPress which field I want to use. And I specified email and voila! Among the new multiple dynamic tags, we have these two WooCommerce tags, the Add to Cart dynamic tag and the product content. Let's check out live. Imagine you want to run a campaign offering to your clients a 20% off discount code. I'm not worried about the design styles, this is only for demo purposes. Inside the flipbox, for the description, I now use a new dynamic tag. Choose the dynamic icon, the product content inside the WooCommerce section. Then specify the product name. What it means is that you are pulling dynamically the product data from the WordPress database. For the link, I also pull in dynamically. I decided to use the Add to Cart tag. Then on the rank click, I specify the product I want to use. So this basically means we can use this Add to Cart tag anywhere. When the customer clicks on the button, it will be redirected to the Add to Cart page with the common message stating that this product has been added to the cart. I click twice and that's why you see two products. So in short, this means you can save a lot of time when selling items on your website. You just have to use any widget and you are pulling in dynamically. Another great feature is the ability to design and assign a custom template when the cart is empty. The default WooCommerce design for empty status is this one. With this Elementor update, we can design and assign a custom template. I have made previously this template inside Elementor templates. The only missing step now is to replace the default WooCommerce page is to assign inside Elementor. To assign, head over to the additional tab and write down the template name. Is that simple? I really love this new feature. The same applies if you want to replace the default WooCommerce My Account page with your own design layout. Cross-sells and upsells products are powerful sales techniques. Cross-sells are products you persuade on the cart page based on the current product. Upsells are products you promote in the checkout page. First, you assign your upsells and cross-sells products within WooCommerce Link Products tab. You define and determine the cross-sells and upsells product you want to promote for a specific product. With this Elementor latest update, we have 3 new queries options in the products widget, related products and upsells. Previously, to display the WooCommerce related products, you use the Upsell widget to automatically display all your upsells products that you defined in the WooCommerce Link Products tab. We didn't have a dedicated cross-sell widget. With this update, when you build up your single product page template inside Elementor, you now get 3 new query sources in the product widget. Related products, upsells, cross-sells. This way, you don't have to design the appearance of your product archive page. Related products are up separately. Instead, you use the product widget to design all of those components and you adjust the query source based on your business needs. You save your precious time to make much more money on other matters. So, these are the most exciting new features, much more dynamic tag controls. The real advantage comes from the ability to add more dynamic content, to customize the WooCommerce My Account page, and the ability to boost your collaboration efforts with the Notes tool. With this new exciting feature, you can certainly improve the way you communicate with your team and clients. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel or hit the like button. I would love to hear your opinions on this matter. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.